Hello everyone. Welcome back to ProMind classes. Hope you all are doing well. As we are doing with our NCRT series, we are doing Class 8th Geography NCRT. And today we will discuss chapter number 3, Minerals and Power Resources. So, the topics which we will discuss in the chapter are: what is mineral? Types of minerals, extraction of minerals, distributions of minerals, distribution in India, uses of minerals, conservation of minerals, power resources, and non conventional source of energy. So let's begin. Minerals. A naturally occurring substance that has a definite chemical composition is a mineral. Minerals are not equally distributed over space. Minerals are found in different types of geological environment under varying conditions. They are created by natural process without any human interference. They can be identified on the basis of their physical properties, such as color, density, hardness, and chemical properties such as solubility. Types of minerals. On the basis of composition, minerals are classified mainly as metallic and non-metallic minerals. Metallic minerals contain metals in raw form. Example: iron ore, bauxite, and manganese. Metallic minerals may be ferrous or non-ferrous. Again, ferrous minerals contain iron, for example, iron ore, manganese, and chromites. Non-ferrous minerals does not contain iron but may contain some other metals such as gold, silver, copper, or lead. Non-metallic minerals do not contain metals. Example: limestone, mica, gypsum, and mineral fuels like coal and petroleum. Now we will discuss extraction of minerals. So minerals can be extracted by mining, drilling, quarrying. We will discuss each of them in some detail. So let's start with mining. The process of taking out minerals from rocks buried under the earth's surface is called mining. Minerals that lie at shallow depths are taken out by removing the surface layer. This is known as open cast mining. The mining in which deep bores called shafts have to be made to reach mineral deposits that lie at great depth is called shaft mining. Quarrying. Minerals that lie near the surface are simply dug out by the process known as quarrying. Drilling. Deep wells are bored to take minerals out. It is called drilling. Petroleum and natural gas are extracted through drilling method. Now we will discuss about the distributions of minerals. Minerals occur in different types of rocks, such as igneous rock, metamorphic rock, or sedimentary rock. Generally, metallic minerals are found in igneous and metamorphic rock formation that forms large plateaus. Metamorphic examples: iron ore in North Sweden, copper and nickel deposits in Ontario, Canada, iron nickel chromides and platinum in South Africa. Sedimentary rock examples: limestone deposits of Caucasus region of France, manganese deposit of Georgia and Ukraine, and phosphate beds of Algeria. Now we will see the distribution through continents. Asia, China, and India have large iron ore deposits. The continent produces more than half of world's tin. China, Malaysia, and Indonesia are among the world's leading tin producer. China also leads in the production of lead, antimony, and tungsten. Asia also deposits of manganese, bauxite, nickel, zinc, and copper. Europe. It is the leading producer of iron ore in the world. Russia, Ukraine, Sweden, and France have large deposits of iron ore. Minerals deposits of copper, lead, zinc, manganese, and nickel are found in Eastern Europe and Europe and Russia. North America. Minerals deposited in North America are located in three zones: the Canadian region north of Great Lakes, which has iron ore, nickel, gold, uranium, and copper; the Appalachian region that has coal; and the mountain range of the West, which has copper, lead, zinc, gold, and silver. South America: iron ore in Brazil, copper in Chile and Peru, tin in Brazil and Bolivia, mineral oils in Venezuela, Argentina, Chile, Peru, and Colombia. And you must be knowing that Venezuela is a hub of natural resources. South America also has a large deposits of gold, silver, zinc, chromium, manganese, bauxite, mica, platinum, asbestos, and diamond. Africa. It is the world's largest producer of diamond, gold, and platinum. Gold in South Africa, Zimbabwe, and Zaire. Oil in Nigeria, Libya, Angola. And other minerals found in Africa are copper, iron ore, chromium, uranium, cobalt, and bauxite. Australia. It is the largest producer of bauxite in the world. It is leading producer of gold, diamond, iron ore, tin, and nickel. It is also rich in copper, lead, zinc, and manganese. Kalgoorlie and Coalgardie areas of Western Australia have the largest deposits of gold. Antarctica. Deposits of coal in Transantarctica Mountain and iron near the Prince Charles Mountain of East Antarctica is predicted. Iron ore, gold, silver, and oil are also present in commercial quantities. Now we will discuss the distribution of minerals in India. Iron: Jharkhand, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Goa, Maharashtra, and Karnataka. Bauxite: Jharkhand, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Maharashtra, and Tamil Nadu. Mica, Jharkhand, Bihar, Andhra Pradesh, and Rajasthan. And India is the largest producer and exporter of mica in the world. Copper, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Jharkhand, Karnataka, and Andhra Pradesh. Manganese, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Karnataka, and Andhra Pradesh. Limestone, Bihar, Jharkhand, Odisha, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Rajasthan, Gujarat, and Tamil Nadu. Gold, Kolar in Karnataka has deposits of gold in India. These mines are among the deepest in the world, which makes mining of this are a very expensive process. Salt, it is obtained from sea, lake and rocks. India is one of the world's leading producer and exporters of salt. Now, we will discuss about the uses of minerals. Minerals are used in many industries. Minerals used in various style for jewelry. Copper is another metal used in everything from coins to pipe. Silicon is used in computer industries is obtained from quartz. Aluminium, obtained from its ore, bauxite is used for automobiles and airplanes, bolting industries, building, and even in kitchen cookware. Now, why it is important for the conservation of minerals? Minerals are a non-renewable resources and it takes thousands of years for the formation and concentration of minerals. The rate of formation is much smaller than the rate at which the human consume these minerals. So, how we can conserve minerals? By reducing wastage in the process of mining, by recycling of metals is another way in which the mineral resources can be conserved. Now, we will discuss power energy. Power or energy is necessary for industry, agriculture, transport, communication, and defense. And power resources is categorized as conventional resources and non-conventional resources. So, conventional energy, those resources which have been in common use for a long time are called conventional source of energy. And some examples are firewood, fossil fuels are the two main conventional energy source. Now you can see the table given below, that is conventional source of energy table. You can see oil, natural gas, firewood, coal, hydropower, and you can see their advantages and disadvantages. So now we will discuss each of them in little bit detail. So firewood, it is widely used for cooking and heating, and in India, more than 50% of energy used by villages come from firewood. Fossil fuels, remain of plants and animals which were buried under the earth for millions of years ago got converted to the heat and pressure into fossil fuels. Coal, petroleum, and natural gas are the fossil fuels which are the main source of conventional energy. Now, what is coal? Most abundantly found fossil fuel, and it is used as a domestic fuel in industries such as iron and steel, steam engine, and to generate electricity. And electricity from coal is called thermal power. The giant frozen swamp got buried under the layers of earth millions of years ago, converted into coal and therefore referred as buried sunshine. Producers in the world. So, coal producers in the world is China, USA, Germany, Russia, South Africa, and France. And producers of coal in India is Raniganj, Jharia, Dhanbad, and Bokaro in Jharkhand. Now, petroleum. Petroleum is a thick black liquid. It is found between the layers of rock and is drilled from oil fields located in offshore and coastal areas. And this is then sent to refineries which process the crude oil and produce a variety of products like diesel, petrol, kerosene, wax, plastic, and lubricants. Petroleum and its derivatives are called black gold as they are very valuable. Producers of petroleum in the world are Iran, Iraq, Saudi Arabia, and Qatar, USA, Russia, Venezuela, and Algeria. And producers of petroleum in India, Digboi in Assam, Bombay High in Mumbai, and deltas of Krishna and Godavari rivers. Now we will discuss about natural gas. Natural gas is found with petroleum deposits and is released when crude oil is brought on the surface. It can be used as domestic or industrial fuel. And producers of natural gas in the world are Russia, Norway, UK, and Netherlands. And producers of natural gas in India, Jaisalmer, Krishna Godavari Delta, Tripura, and some areas offshore in Mumbai. Now we will discuss why use of fossil fuel should be checked. The sharp increase in our consumption of fossil fuel has led to their depletion at an alarming rate as we are using it at very high amount. And the toxic pollutants released from burning these fuels are also a cause for concern. Now we will discuss hydel power. So, how hydel power is generated? Rainwater or river water stored in dams is made to fall from heights. The falling water flows through pipe inside the dam over turbine blades placed at the bottom of dam. And the moving blades then turn the generator to produce electricity, which is called hydroelectricity. The water discharge after the generation of electricity is used for irrigation. One fourth of the world's electricity is produced by hydel power. Producers of hydel power in world is Paraguay, Norway, Brazil, and China. And producer of important hydel power station in India or producer, you can say Bakarnagal Gandhi Sagar, Nagarjuna Sagar, and Damodar Valley projects are some important hydel power stations in India. Now we will discuss about non-conventional source of energy. So why we need to use non-conventional source of energy? Some reasons are given below. The increasing use of fossil fuel is leading to its shortage. It is estimated that if the present rate of consumption continues, the reserve of this fuel will get exhausted. Also, it causes environmental pollution. Examples of non-conventional source are solar energy, wind energy, and tidal energy. Again, you can see the table of non-conventional source of energy in which it is given wind energy, solar energy, tidal energy, nuclear energy, geothermal energy, bioenergy, biogas, and their advantages and disadvantages are given in the following table. So, we will discuss each of them in little bit detail. So, let's start with solar energy. Solar energy trapped from the sun can be used in solar cells to produce electricity. Many of the cells are joined into solar panels to generate power for heating and lighting purpose. The technology of utilizing solar energy benefits a lot of tropical countries that are blessed with abundant sunshine. Solar energy is also used in solar heaters, solar cookers, solar dryers, beside being used for community lighting and traffic signals. Now, we'll discuss about wind energy. The high-speed wind rotate the windmill which is connected to a generator to produce electricity. Wind farms have clusters of such windmills are located in coastal region and in mountain passes where strong and steady winds blow. Wind farms are found in Netherlands, Germany, Denmark, UK, USA and Spain. Now we will discuss about nuclear energy. Nuclear power is obtained from energy stored in nuclei of atoms of natural occurring radioactive elements like uranium and thorium. These fuel undergo nuclear fissions and nuclear reactors and emit power. Greatest producers USA and Europe. Uranium deposits in India, Rajasthan and Jharkhand. Thorium is found in large quantities in Montais sand of Kerala. Nuclear power station in India is Kolpakkam in Tamil Nadu, Tarapur in Maharashtra, Rana Pratapgarh Sagar near Kota in Rajasthan, Narora in Uttar Pradesh, and Kyoga in Karnataka. Now we will discuss about geothermal energy. Heat energy obtained from the earth is called geothermal energy. The temperature in the interior of earth rises steadily as we go deeper. Sometimes the heat energy may surface itself in the form of hot spring. This heat energy can be used to generate power. Geothermal energy in the form of hot springs have been used for cooking, heating and bathing for several years. USA has the world's largest geothermal power plants followed by New Zealand, Ireland, Philippines and Central America. In India, geothermal plants are located in Manikaran in Himachal Pradesh and Poga Valley in Ladakh. Now we will discuss about tidal energy. Energy generated from tides is called tidal energy. Tidal energy can be harnessed by building dams at narrow opening of sea. During high tide, the energy of tide is used to turn the turbine installed in the dam to produce electricity. So, tidal energy producer in the world, Russia, France, and the Gulf of Kutch in India have huge tidal mills farms. Now we will discuss about biogas. Organic waste such as dead plants and animal materials, animal dung, and kitchen waste can be converted into gaseous fuel called biogas. The organic waste is decomposed by bacteria and biogas digesters to emit biogas, which is essentially a mixture of methane and carbon dioxide. Biogas is an excellent fuel for cooking and lighting and produces huge amount of organic manure each year. So, here we have completed this chapter. Hope all the concepts regarding minerals have been cleared. Hope that you understood what is the importance of minerals and which of the leading countries are producing more minerals and which kind of minerals they are producing and what India is producing and what are the areas in India where different kind of minerals have been producing. So here I think all your concept regarding mineral and resources have been cleared and hope that you like this video. Do share this video. Thanks for all support. And if you are new here, then please do subscribe our channel, do share our channel and like this video. Thanks a lot. Stay tuned with ProMind.